Om Shri Sai Ram, Swami. Our humble pranams at your lotus feet, Swami. Please bless us in learning today's bhajan through Shatam Bhajan learning. Sai Ram, brothers, Sai Ram, sisters, Sai Ram, everyone. So today, with Swami's grace, as April 14th is Tamil New Year's Day, today's bhajan selection has been a Tamil bhajan, a beautiful composition in language Tamil, so which we all can learn and offer to Swami. As we covered a Telugu bhajan in the previous bhajan session, Mana Bangaru Parthi Baba, so that we can offer on Ugadi day. And certainly we all can learn this Tamil bhajan today and offer on April 14th to Swami. So before we progress in learning the bhajan, some of the initial details before we go over the meaning. So this beautiful bhajan, Varuvai Niye Sainatha. So we'll explain the meaning also so that it will help everyone to learn, though it's in language Tamil. Varuvai Niye Sainatha. So this beautiful bhajan, before we go over the meaning, is in Rag Jaunpuri, where I'll share some of the few other bhajans in Jaunpuri which are commonly sung in bhajans, which will help in learning this bhajan also because it's more in the similar rag. And the talam of this bhajan is regular 8-beat bhajan. In Adi Talam we say, in Carnatic, and in Hindustani we say as Keherva. The 8-beat which goes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the regular 8-beat, like you can say 4-beat also. So regular 8-beat bhajan. And the common sung Shruti for this bhajan is gents can sing in C or C sharp, and ladies can sing either G or G sharp or even F sharp. If you find it high, you can also sing in F sharp or F. So let's quickly learn the meaning of this bhajan. Varuvai Niye Sainatha. So in Tamil, Varuvai is we are saying Swami, Swami, you will come. That's what it means. When Swami will come, Varuvai Niye Sainatha. Swami, you will come. Varuvai Niye, Swami, you will come. Oh, my dear Lord Sai. That's what we are saying, Sainatha, dear Lord Sai. When Swami will come, Paadidum Bodhu Niye Varuvai. So Swami will come when we all sing the glory of Swami, when we all sing the Nama of Swami. So Swami is going to come. Like as Swami has told in many discourses, wherever his bhajan is sung, wherever his Nama is sung, Swami is right present there. Swami will certainly come and bless us everyone and touch our head. That's what I always feel. Swami is present there. Paadidum Bodhu. Paadidum is basically when we sing the glory. Paadidum means sing. Paadidum Bodhu, when we sing the glory of Swami. Niye Varuvai. Niye means Swami, you. You will come, Swami. So Swami will come when? When we all sing the glory of Swami. Nan Paadidum Bodhu. Nan is basically Swami when I sing. So like each one of us when we sing, no matter whether we lead or whether we follow the bhajan, no matter whether it's lead or question of follow, whenever we all sing the glory of Swami's name in our lips, Swami will definitely come. That's what Swami has assured us also in many of his discourses. So again, Varuvai Niye Sainatha. The next line, Annayum Niye, Tandayum Niye. So Annayum in Tamil means, Swami, you are our dear mother. Annayum means mother. Tandayum means father. Swami, you are our dear mother. Swami, you are our dear father. That's what we are saying. So Annayum Niye, you. Niye means you. Swami, you are our dear mother. You are our dear father. Guruvai Niye Varuvai. Swami, you will come as our dear Guru, our dear teacher, our supreme God. You will come in the form of our Guru, Swami. Anbum Niye, Arulum Niye. Anbum means love. Swami, you are full of love. The moment we see Swami, we can see that, Swami is full of love. He always says that, again, love also, like he is, the form of love, it's full of love. Anbum Niye, Swami, you are love. Arulum Niye, Swami, you shower the grace to us. Arulum means grace. Swami, you shower the grace upon us. Yellam Aliktidum means, Swami, you will give us everything, in this world, whatever we need, for people who are left alone in this world, who are left with nothing in this world, Swami, you will give everything for us. Ellam alitedum, you will give everything. Ellam alitedum means giver. So Swami, you will give everything to us. Paramporul Niye, you are Supreme God. So that's what such a beautiful composition. You are Supreme God who will give everything to us, Swami. Our peace, you will remove the difficulties to us, whatever we are suffering, and you will give us full of happiness. So let's learn this bhajan. So before we learn this bhajan, some of the other bhajans in Rag Jaunpuri. So this bhajan is in Rag Jaunpuri. So I'll quickly show some of the other bhajans which are very similar to this ragam. So today's session for learning, we have taken G. Sorry, I forgot to introduce. So today our learner, we have a Balavika student with us, Akshara. Sairam Akshara.
Sairam Aunty.
Sairam Kanna. So in Rag Jaunpuri, some of the other bhajans, commonly sung bhajans is Aavo, aavo, Sai Nata, aavo, aavo, He Jagannatha. So that's one bhajan. And another bhajan, Sahara do Bhagwan, Mujhe daya karo, Mujhe kripa karo. That is another bhajan. Another one, Bhajo Madhura Harinam Nirantara, Bhajo Madhura Harinam. Another one, Mahe Ma, Mahe Ma. And another one, Amba Bhavani Shiva Shambhu Kumara, Shri Gananatha Shantakara. And another one, He Ramaduta, He Rama Bhakta, He Ramadasa, Namo Namo. So these are commonly sung Jaunpuri Rag bhajans. So this bhajan, Varuvai Niye Sainath, also it comes like this. Varuvai Niye Sainatha. So very similar rag of He Rama Bhakta, He na 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 na. So if you see, that's how the style of ragam Jaunpuri is. So let's quickly learn the bhajan akshara. Okay. So we have taken G, which is 5 Panchamam Shruti.
Okay, Aunty.
Varuvai,
Varuvai,
Niye,
Niye.
So that one we'll give in the second time when we sing the first line. So first time let's sing plain. Varuvai,
Varuvai,
Niye,
Niye.
Varuvai, Niye,
Varuvai, Niye.
Sainatha,
Sainatha.
Varuvai Niye Sainatha,
Varuvai Niye Sainatha.
Awesome. So Varuvai, so this doesn't start in the first beat. So if you see, the beat goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if you see Varuvai, it starts after the first beat. So 1, Varuvai Niye Sainatha. Okay. So Sainatha is again 5, 6, 7, 8. So Varuvai starts after the first beat. Okay.
Okay,
So
Aunty.
Varuvai Niye Sainatha. Say.
Varuvai Niye Sainatha. Sainatha.
Can you sing one more time, Kanna?
Varuvaye Sainatha.
Second time when we sing this, Varuvai nee. We are saying Swami like that, right? Correct. Now, rest of the words is same. Varuvai Sainatha. Sing.
Varuvai Sainatha.
Can you sing both the Varuvai now?
Varuvai Sainatha. Varuvai Sainatha.
Good. Next line. பாடிடும்
பாடிடும்
போது
போது
பாடிடும் போது
பாடிடும் போது
again பாடிடும் போது
பாடிடும் போது
நீ வருவாய்
நீ வருவாய்
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
Second time when you sing this line, நான் பாடிடும் போது
பாடிடும் போது
Can you sing again?
பாடிடும் போது
நீயே வருவாய்
நீ வருவாய்.
So second time when we sing with Nan, right? There is another option that we can sing. நான் பாடிடும் போது நீயே வருவாய். So நீயே, right? Instead of நீயே, instead of that நீயே வருவாய்.
நீ வருவாய்.
So this you can sing when you sing Nan Padidum Podu. Okay, so can you, I'll just quickly show you both the type. Padidum Podu நீ வருவாய். Nan, there is no follow, so I'll not sing that first end, okay? பாடிடும் போது நீயே வருவாய். நான் பாடிடும் போது நீயே வருவாய். So did you see where we took Nan?
Yes, auntie.
நீயே வருவாய் நான் பாடிடும். So பாடிடும் starts from beat number 2. So Nan you are singing in beat number 1.
Okay, auntie.
Can you sing both பாடிடும் now?
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய். நான் பாடி
Correct. So Nan basically comes in first beat. So remember that. So you are singing. Let me take this as one. Okay. நீயே வருவாய் நான் பாடிடும் போது. So when you do, count in your finger so that it will help to take Nan. Do.
Okay, auntie. பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய். நான் பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
Perfect. And after this, again you will sing Varuvai ni Sainatha.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
Awesome. So can you quickly now sing first two lines and then till Varuvai Niye. So when you come back to Varuvai Niye, you can sing the second Varuvai or first Varuvai, whichever you're comfortable, take that option. Okay?
Okay, auntie.
Yeah. Can you sing the two lines and then come back to Varuvai? Sing.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா. வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா. பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய். நான் பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய். வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
Good. So you can give Sainatha. What you just give, you can give that, or Sainatha plain. So or you can choose Sainatha. What you sang, that also you can sing. Now next line.
Okay.
அன்னையும் நீ
அன்னையும் நீ
அன்னையும் நீயே
அன்னையும் நீ
தந்தையும் நீயே
தந்தையும் நீ
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே
அன்னையும் நீ தந்தையும் நீ.
Correct. அன்னையும் நீயே. Second time. அன்னையும் நீயே.
அன்னையும் நீ தந்தையும் நீ.
Correct. Next line. குருவாய் நீ
குருவாய் நீ
குருவாய் நீ. Just slide to just slide that note and come back to that particular note. Sing.
குருவாய் நீ.
Correct. வருவாய்
வருவாயே.
So together. குருவாய் நீ வருவாய்.
குருவாய் நீ வருவாயே.
If we are finding it difficult to slide, we can sing like this. Guruvai ni varuvai. Okay, if we are finding it difficult to slide to that note, we can sing Guruvai ni. Just touch that curve. See?
Okay, auntie. குருவாய் நீ வருவாயே.
Second time when we sing this line, Sai, we are saying Swami, right? Swami, you will come in the form of Guru. Swami, Sai, Sai, sing.
சாயி
Guruvai ni varuvai.
சாயி குருவாய் நீ வருவாயே.
அன்பும் நீயே
அன்பும் நீயே
அருளும் நீயே
அருளும் நீயே.
So in Tamil there are two las. In Hindi we have only one la letter, right? But in Tamil language we have two la. So basic difference, the first la in I'll tell you which word we need to go with first la and which word we need to go with second la in Tamil. So anbum niye, arulum niye, that arulum is second la. Second la, basically when we say la, our tongue need to touch the upper jaw. So we should not say arulum, instead arulum, so that when we say la, your tongue will touch the upper jaw. So that's how we pronounce la. Instead of la, we should say la, arulum. Yeah.
Okay, auntie.
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே.
Good. Nee. That's what we are singing. Sing nee. In slow, how will we sing? Nee. Sing.
நீயே
Perfect. அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே.
Correct. Next line. Ellam. So here first la. So you'll just say, you will not say lam. Lam. Ellam. Okay. Ellam. Ellam.
எல்லாம்
அளித்திடும்.
அளித்திடும்.
So here அளித்திடும் will say second la. So our tongue should touch the upper jaw. எல்லாம் அளித்திடும்.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும்.
பரம்பொருள்.
பரம்பொருள்.
So here also second la. So the tongue should touch the upper jaw. You should not say porul, you should say porul. The tongue should touch the upper jaw. Just remember, you can probably highlight or put a dash or underscore to represent which la you're singing. Second la, you can put an underline so that you will know you need to sing second la in that letter. You need to pronounce like that. எல்லாம் அளித்திடும்.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும்.
பரம்பொருள்.
பரம்பொருள்.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
Yeah, sing again. You need to sing this line 2 times. Sing.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
Awesome. Can you sing now the first beat fully, Kanna?
Okay, auntie. Will you follow or should I just sing it?
Yeah, I'll follow. You lead and then I'll follow.
வருவாய் நீ சாய்நாதா.
That niye should come. Varuvai ni. Sorry, first plain. Varuvai ni. That slide should fall perfectly in all the notes. Can you sing that again, Kanna?
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
நான் பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
நான் பாடிடும் போது. So when you're singing Nan, you will actually merge with follow. Okay?
Okay,
Can
aunty.
you sing that and then I'll sing Nan so that you will know how the follow and lead merges. Can you sing Nan பாடிடும் போது?
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
நான் பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
குரு குரு
குருவாய் நீயே.
குருவாய் நீ வருவாய்.
குருவாய் நீ வருவாய். Sai also merge with follow. So when you
Okay,
say like
aunty.
how you sang Nan பாடிடும் போது, right? Similarly, Sai merge with follow. Okay? குருவாய் நீ வருவாய்.
சாயி குருவாய் நீ வருவாய்.
சாயி குருவாய் நீ வருவாய்.
அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ.
அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ.
அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ.
அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ. Very good. So now we'll sing the second speed. So second speed, most of the lines we can keep playing without the second briga what we gave in the first speed, right? Instead we'll all keep plain lines, most of it. And if you're confident singing second line, you can sing.
Okay, aunty.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
பாடிடும் போது நீ
பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய்.
வருவாய் நீயே சாயிநாதா.
வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே.
குருவாய் நீயே வருவாய்.
குருவாய் நீயே வருவாயே.
So often when everyone follow, right, they'll sing Sai Guruvai Nee, like that, okay. Anbum Neeye Arulum Neeye.
அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே.
And then we'll end the bhajan with Varuvai Nee Sainatha. Okay. So when we sing this bhajan, there are few lines where we can soften our voice. So those areas are Varuvai Nee. When we say Nee, so we are just raising Swami, you are coming. When we are singing your Nama, you are coming, right? So Niye, when we call Swami as Niye, we need to soften a little bit. Instead of Varuvai Niye, instead of that, Varuvai Niye. So little bit bring down, not your full volume, but soften your voice. Sainatha. When we say Sainatha, they are also softened. Padidum podu nee varuvai. That is normal. Again, that is also normal. Again, varuvai niye Sainatha will little bit soften. Annayum niye. Again, we are saying Swami, right? You are our mother. You are our father. So niye soften. Wherever niye comes, little bit soften. அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே. குருவாய் நீயே. Instead of நீயே, instead of that நீயே, little bit soften. Varuvai Sai. Because Swami, like how our mother call, right? Dear, like that they'll call our name, right? When mother call child, in the similar way, Sai. When we say Sai, soften little bit. Sai Guruvai Nee Varuvai. And then Anbum Niye Arulum Niye, again you sing full throated. எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே. நீயே again soften little bit because we are saying Swami, right? So little bit soften. So these are few areas where we can soften the voice. So I'll quickly show once. I'll run through the whole bhajan. So request everyone to please sing along so that we'll all get the practice. Varuvai Nee Sainatha. Varuvai Nee Sainatha. பாடிடும் போது நீயே வருவாய். நான் பாடிடும் போது நீயே வருவாய். வருவாய் நீயே சாயிநாதா. அன்பையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே குருவாய் நீ வருவாய் சாயி குருவாய் நீ வருவாய் அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ அன்பும் நீ அருளும் நீ எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீ வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா பாடிடும் போது நீ வருவாய் வருவாய் நீ சாயிநாதா அன்னையும் நீயே தந்தையும் நீயே குருவாய் நீயே வருவாய் அன்பும் நீயே அருளும் நீயே எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே எல்லாம் அளித்திடும் பரம்பொருள் நீயே